मैं क्यों अपने आप को धोखा देता रहा?
And why did I keep fooling myself? And why did I keep fooling myself?
क्यों मैं जानकर भी अनजान बना?
Even after knowing I was so foolish. Even after knowing I was so foolish.
क्यों मैं जीत के भी हार गया?
Even after winning I lost everything. Even after winning I lost everything.
और वो हार कर भी जीत गया.
And he won even after losing everything. And he won even after losing everything.
कौन कहता है कि तुम हार गए?
Who says you have lost? Who says you have lost?
कौन कहता है कि मैं जीत गया?
Who says I have won? Who says I have won?
क्या दो इंसानों के बीच में सिर्फ यही रिश्ता रह जाता है?
Is this the only relationship there can be between two people? Is this the only relationship there can be between two people?
मुकाबले का, सिर्फ दुश्मनी का?
One of competition and enmity? One of competition and enmity?
क्यों तुम मुझे अपना दुश्मन समझते हो?
Why do you think of me as your enemy? Why do you think of me as your enemy?
क्यों खुद को मेरा दुश्मन मानते हो?
Why do you consider me as an opponent? Why do you consider me as an opponent?
कभी अंजलि तुमसे मिली?
Sometime Anjali met you. Sometime Anjali met you.
तुम अंजलि से मिले?
And you met Anjali. And you met Anjali.
दो दोस्त एक दूसरे के कितने करीब आए?
Two friends came close to each other. Two friends came close to each other.
कितने ख्वाब देखे होंगे?
And saw so many dreams together. So many. And saw so many dreams together. So many.
कितने सपने सजाए होंगे?
So many fabulous dreams. So many fabulous dreams.
और तकदीर ने एक पल में सारे के सारे ख्वाब तोड़ दिए.
And destiny shattered all those dreams in just one moment. And destiny shattered all those dreams in just one moment.
जरा सा भी रहम नहीं किया तुम पर?
Destiny had no mercy on you. Destiny had no mercy on you.
जरा सा भी तरस नहीं खाया तुम पर?
No pity on you at all. No pity on you at all.
मैं कैसे तुमसे नफरत करूं?
How can I hate you, Dave? How can I hate you, Dave?
मैं कैसे तुम्हें अपना दुश्मन मान लूं?
How can I consider you my enemy? How can I consider you my enemy?
तुम्हारा कसूर ही क्या है?
None of this is your fault. None of this is your fault.
सिर्फ यही ना
Just that. Just that.
कि तुमने किसी से मोहब्बत की?
You happen to love somebody. You happen to love somebody.
अरे मोहब्बत ही की है ना?
Hey, you loved someone. Hey, you loved someone.
प्यार ही किया है ना?
You just worshipped her. You just worshipped her.
कोई गुनाह तो नहीं किया?
That's not a crime. That's not a crime.
कोई पाप तो नहीं किया?
That's not a sin. That's not a sin.
एक बात बोलूं देव?
Can I say something, Dave? Can I say something, Dave?
इस दुनिया में न जाने कितने आदमी हैं.
There are so many people in this world. There are so many people in this world.
और हर आदमी अपनी तकदीर खुद लिखना चाहता है.
And every one of those people wants to write their own destiny. And every one of those people wants to write their own destiny.
लेकिन ये उनके बस की बात नहीं.
But this is not something they can control. But this is not something they can control.
क्योंकि तकदीर लिखने वाला इंसान नहीं.
Because our destiny is written not by us. Because our destiny is written not by us.
भगवान होता है.
But by God. But by God.
यही तो उसका फैसला है.
This is his decision. This is his decision.
यही उसका खेल है.
These are his doings. These are his doings.
यही तकदीर है.
This is destiny. This is destiny.
यही संजोग है.
This is fate. This is fate.
बस संजोग है.
That's all. Everything is destiny. That's all. Everything is destiny.
संजोग.
Destiny. Destiny.
भगवान.
God. God.